Here, once again, we welcome each other. In the phase of learning, this COVID 19 outbreak, digital classes, a crisis management is going on in the healthcare sector, another in essential supply chain management. These managements have to be addressed with the hours requirement. So, why this problem is generated with the resources they have been provided physically and naturally to human being, but every resource marks their presence and their abundance, their limited supply in that region. It has abundance in world, but in particular region it has a specific quantity. So we have to address this cause with a solution. So hereby we will discuss the second chapter of economics, which says central problem of economics, which will talk about that resources are in limited supply, they have alternative use which leads to the scarcity, and this shortage crisis have to be managed. So hereby we will start pursuing this chapter, and it has 3 phases, and then we have one curve with production possibility combinations. So this is one picture which shows actuality. Unlimited wants, limited resources leads to scarcity. Then we have choices to be made. And what choices we will made, that will answer 3 questions and address 3 requirements of the hour. What to produce, what should be the production, how to produce, what technique can be used, and then the main question, for whom we have to produce.
Scholars, once again we have assembled, and this time I'm connecting you to the class of economics, and today we will going to pursue economics, and then we will have chapter number 2, and today we will introduce you with it. It is an intro session. So intro session will introduce you with the first phase learning, that resources are limited, and marks the alternative use. So we have the identity of scarcity of resources. So these 3 things bring you to one concept. ये तीनों चीज़ें जुड़ जाती हैं, and then they brings you to the concept of central problems of economy. Because every country, every nation have limited resource with alternative use, and that leads to its scarcity, and ultimately this is problem of every nation or every region. So that's why this is chapter number 2, basic point, that will deliver you with one concept कि resources का हमें करना है best use, and how that is possible. In this chapter we will learn it. In this chapter we will learn this, and this best use will be your exact word. I am writing optimal utilization of resources. And this optimal utilization of resources is your connecting point to resource is limited, or resources are limited. If it is, we will talk about single resource, then resources and if we are talking about resources, so then R. So let's conclude it with a Zoom board look, and we will going to see each other again in next session. So till then, take care.
And these three questions became the central problem of every economy because the availability of the means are limitized, and this need an optimal utilization, the best potential deliverance, and that marks you with the word what to produce in what quantity. Specific number is required. How to produce, then what is the best mechanism to eradicate the problem of crisis of resources with best potentials of it. Then for whom to produce, what will be the supply or distribution process meant to us, and this three problem will be addressed in economy.
Scholars, again warmly welcome you in class of this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, where we are discussing central problems of economy. Problems of economy. We have marked this word, central problem of economy. Look, every nation marks the identity of resources, and that have to be addressed. And this central problem of economy is a crisis management है. किस चीज का? रिसोर्सेस का. And this crisis management have 3 questions to be answered. ये 3 सवाल पूछता है बेटा. And that first question, what to produce. Second question, how to produce. And the third question, for whom to produce. Look, here resources की डिलीवरी के बाद क्वांटिटी एड्रेस्ड होती है. व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, पहले तो प्रोडक्ट डिसाइड होगा एंड देन क्वांटिटी डिसाइड होगी. प्रोडक्शन डिसाइड होगी, प्रोडक्शन मार्क्स यू, यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस लिखा है तो दैट विल आइडेंटिफाई विद द प्रोडक्शन कि क्या बनाएंगे. देन क्वांटिटी विल बी एड्रेस्ड एंड then it will mark you to technique of production. So the first thing we will address here is technique. Technique means to say कि आप लेबर ओरिएंटेड वर्क करेंगे, लेबर बेस्ड वर्क करेंगे, और आइदर यू विल इन्वेस्ट कैपिटल. एंड देन you have to focus on consumer. लिखा है ना for whom to produce, so then we will talk about consumer. कंज्यूमर, हम अब यहाँ पर कंज्यूमर को फोकस कर रहे हैं ना. so we will going to focus whether we will produce necessary goods, necessary items will be manufactured, or we will going to have luxurious items to be manufactured. so address problem is central प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इकोनॉमी है. हमें क्राइसिस को मैनेज करना है क्योंकि रिसोर्स हमारे पास लिमिटेड है. उसमें हम पहले फोकस करेंगे कि प्रोडक्शन किस चीज़ का करना है, फिर चेक करेंगे किस टेक्निक का यूज़ करना है, किस टेक्निक को यूज़ करना है, और फिर फोकस करेंगे कि कंज्यूमर कौन सा है हमारे पास. देन वी विल चेक इट आउट व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस. फर्स्टली व्हाट टू प्रोड्यूस, व्हाट इज आर basic potential to produce. Then what production technique we can use to create the best use, and when we will produce with the technique, so who will buy? Then the consumer. So hereby we have addressed production, technique, and then consumption. So let's have a Zoom board look, and we are concluding it here. to meet each other again to discuss this further in detail.
In all conclusion, it's now the time to deliver all the potential resources utilization in possible combination of production. So we have closed down for the first phase. So with the promise to see you in next segment, we are concluding it today. So see you again soon.